G'day team, it's Taylor here from Property Brokers, and today it's my absolute honour to be welcoming you to 8 Kings Court. Tucked away off Featherston Street, you'll find this one-of-a-kind home. It's had a full renovation, including double glazing, new flooring, new kitchen, new bathroom. No stone has been left unturned. Inside you've got 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Not only that, you're situated on over 900 square metres of section with a sleep out with its own bathroom. This is a one-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Give me a call today.